Have you ever wondered how to make money on TikTok and grow your business faster? TikTok is without a doubt one of the most popular social media apps on the planet. It's a great way to get views, eyes on your content, and a huge audience with short-form content. But what if you want to start earning money on TikTok? We all know that a lot of people make money by making YouTube videos and other types of content like blogs. So why not just use an app like TikTok to do that? If you go on TikTok right now, you'll see thousands of people posting content every day related to their niche and monetizing it. I don't know about you, but I want a piece of that pie. Join. The best part is that everyone has a chance to grow on this new platform for sharing videos and start making money on the side. At first, I didn't think about becoming a TikTok creator because most people used it to dance and the audience was mostly 15-25-year-olds when I first heard about it. Since then, TikTok has become the social media platform with the fastest growth and has even passed Instagram. When I downloaded the app and found out that people were actually using it to make money online by promoting their own products or getting paid to sponsor other businesses, I was completely shocked. What are the best ways to make money on TikTok? The original purpose of TikTok was to share short, funny videos, but it has evolved into one of the most sought-after platforms for influencers and marketers alike because of its massive user base worldwide. For many marketing agencies, TikTok is a dream come true because it has the same reach as Instagram, but with a higher engagement rate on your video views. So in this complete guide, you'll learn how to make money on TikTok. Now, finding a way to make money on TikTok and other social media apps seems like a difficult task, but it's actually quite easy. Number 1. TikTok's Creator Fund. The Creator Fund was launched in 2021 and started off with an initial investment of $200 million by TikTok to the people making creative videos on their platform. They reward you for your creativity and views by paying you with their own revenue. This is the easiest way to make money with TikTok. They took a big risk with this, but it immediately set them apart from competitors like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. How to be eligible for the TikTok's Creator Fund. Be at least 18 years old. Have at least 10,000 followers. Have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. You must be based in the US, UK, France, Germany, Spain, or Italy. No TikTok community strikes or have messed with the terms of service. If you meet these criteria, you can apply through the TikTok app and start earning your very first check with this simple method. I've seen creators on TikTok making anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per video. Many creators are raking in 4-5 figures or more annually thanks to this fund, but it's only open to the creators based in the above countries, and you need to post a lot of content. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most effective ways to make money on TikTok. There are multiple opportunities to do this, and they're all great. Here we'll talk about the best ones. But first, what is affiliate marketing? This is the process of selling other people's products or services and earning a commission for doing so. There are multiple ways to do this, including adding affiliate links. You can set up affiliate links on your TikTok profile and add a CTA to the end of your videos. When your visitors click on your link in bio, they'll be taken to a products page where they can buy it or go through the sales funnel process. Every time someone clicks a link and a sale is made, you'll earn a commission. This is the exact method I use to run a profitable online business and make $3,000 plus every month. Important: make sure you always add a disclaimer that you're an affiliate for the product you're talking about. Sponsored posts through influencer marketing. This strategy is the most common among TikTok users. Basically, you post ads on your profile or in comments to promote another user's or company's product, and then get paid when someone buys the product. You'll have this done through an influencer marketing campaign. This will help your videos get noticed by more specific people who are buying that product, and you'll be able to convert them into customers. Number 3. Coaching. Do you want to make money on TikTok for Owskies? If you're an expert in your field and you're looking for a way to share your knowledge with others, then coaching may be the perfect solution. Coaching is a great way to earn money on TikTok by helping others achieve their goals. There are many different types of coaching, but all involve guiding someone to reach their desired outcome. Whether you specialize in business coaching, life coaching, or relationship coaching, there's sure to be a demand for your services on TikTok. When selecting a coaching niche, it's important to consider your target audience. For example, if you're a business coach, you may want to target entrepreneurs who are looking to start or grow their businesses. If you're a relationship coach, you may want to target singles who are looking for love. Once you have chosen your niche, you can start making content. When making coaching videos for TikTok, it's important to keep them short, sweet, and have a strong hook. Remember that people are quickly scrolling through their feeds, and if your videos are too long, they probably won't watch the whole thing. The key to making coaching content that works is to give value and be easy to understand. Your viewers should be able to see themselves in your videos, and they should feel like you understand their struggles. You can even become a TikTok consultant once you have grown your own coaching business and teach others how to do the same. Number 4. Sell digital products. Social media platforms like TikTok are a great way to sell digital products. You can create a TikTok account and start promoting your products to the millions of users on the platform. The best part about selling digital products on TikTok is that you can reach a global audience with just a few clicks. You can also use TikTok to build up a following for your brand and connect with potential customers from all over the world. So if you're looking for a new way to sell digital products, TikTok is definitely worth considering. You can use a platform to sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, templates, and more. A few digital product platforms are Samcart, Podia, Thinkific, Teachable, Thrivecart Plus. The built-in payment system with digital production software makes it easy to take payments and deliver products to customers. Number 5. Brand deals. As the popularity of TikTok continues to grow, more and more brands are looking to get in on the action by partnering with influencers for sponsored content. For businesses, this is a great way to reach a wider audience and connect with potential customers on a deeper level. And for influencers, it's an opportunity to earn some extra income while doing what they love. But before you start posting sponsored content and securing brand partnerships, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. First and foremost, be transparent with your audience about any relationships you have with brands to create authentic content. Secondly, make sure that any content you create is true to your personal brand and aligned with your values. Lastly, only partner with brands that you genuinely believe in and would recommend to your audience. Most TikTok influencers start off with brand deals and finding companies to work with through TikTok's creator marketplace. With that said, if you want to learn how to make money on TikTok, brand deals are definitely worth considering. Number 6. Sell courses and workshops. You can sell courses and workshops on TikTok if you are an expert in your field. This is a great way to teach others and start making money at the same time. To start, you'll need to make a course or workshop that your audience will find useful and interesting. Then you can advertise it on TikTok and other social media sites by making short videos that show the most important parts of your course. Make sure to include a call to action in your videos so that users know how to sign up for your course. You can also use TikTok ads to promote your courses and workshops to a wider audience. You can increase your earnings by adding affiliate programs inside your courses, which can help you reach over $1 million in revenue. This has been proven by many other influencers. Number 7. Sell TikTok accounts. Looking to make some quick cash? Why not grow and sell TikTok accounts? This is a highly lucrative business, and with the right approach, you can make a lot of money. The first step is to grow your TikTok channel and work with the TikTok algorithm. This can be done through various methods, such as creating great content, using hashtags, and promoting your account. Once you have built up a large following, you can then sell the account through marketplace platforms and even leverage influencer marketing campaigns. There are many buyers out there who are willing to pay top dollar for popular TikTok accounts. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to make money, this could be the perfect option for you, as long as you don't break any community guidelines. Number 8. Become a TikTok manager. Yes, you can become a TikTok manager just like Instagram management services are done. If you know how to grow on TikTok, engage with an audience, and create awesome video ideas, then you can possibly sell TikTok management services. Depending on the service you provide, you can manage their entire account or help them with commenting back to all comments on their videos. How many times should I post on TikTok? It's best to post at least 2-3 times a day and see what videos are better. Once you have an idea of when you get the most views, then start focusing on that type of content and timing. Best times to post on TikTok. There are no real best times to post because it all depends on what your audience is doing, and that will always change. Many big TikTok influencers say the best thing to do is to post at least 2-3 times a day, since your content will be shown to different groups of people. My guess, before people go to work, 6 a.m., 9 a.m., during lunch, 11 a.m., 1 p.m., and after work hours, 4 p.m., 7 p.m. Now that you know the basics of how to make money on TikTok, it's time to get started. If you're not sure where to begin, start by following some of the top influencers in your niche and see what they're doing to make money. Then, try out a few of the methods yourself and see which ones work best for you. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to making money on TikTok, so don't be afraid to experiment until you find what works best for you. With a little persistence and creativity, you'll be earning income from TikTok in no time.